Alright, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So I'm kind of in like a little bit of a predicament with this car right now. If you've been watching my videos for a while and you've heard me talking about in recent videos over the past like year and the last couple months or so, I've been talking about wrapping this car. Now, don't get me wrong, I do love the World Rally Pro Blue on this car, but I really want to wrap my car orange. Now, I'm just gonna go for a basic orange, like a simple, nice, bright color orange. Not gonna do like a sunset orange, not gonna do like, you know, like a midnight orange color or anything like that. I really just wanna do a simple, like, bright orange color that you'd see on like a Lamborghini, like a Aventador or a Gallardo. I just have to take into consideration like how much money it's gonna cost. Like, I feel like a wrap for my car shouldn't be that expensive. Like, it all depends on, you know, how much wrap they use and like the type of wrap. I guess, I don't know if like different, like if you go for crazy color schemes, those ones cost more, but I would probably get it wrapped at where I got my roof wrapped black and my tindos winted. Holy shit, my windows tinted at TCM Graphics in St. Catharines. But the thing is, I would keep my roof black and then I would just make the whole car orange anyways. But I wouldn't have them wrap the inserts. Like, I would still keep all of this blue and stuff and just like the outside orange. That way, like, you know, I could still have some blue aspect of the car, so that way it's not like, you know, fully orange, and that way they have to use less wrap and stuff. And I guess the only thing what would be is that I guess they would have to like take these off, I guess, without them breaking. Because I've only put my carbon fiber door handles on the car once, so I don't know if, like, you know, if they had to wrap it orange in it, I don't know, it might kind of look weird if like there's blue behind the door handles. And think what I would also do is I would change out the silver wheels and obviously the blue lug nuts. And I'm thinking if I did, I would go for like a nice like a matte bronze color. And I mean, I could go black, but you know, orange or black, everyone kind of just always does black as like the basic wheels. I'm thinking bronze will look cool in either with black lug nuts or orange lug nuts. I think then also that means I would have to probably change my energy toe strap and then the tow hook I have on back, because I think with, you know, black, orange, and blue, like 3 different color schemes on the car, would kind of look weird. I put a poll on Instagram yesterday saying, should I wrap the BRZ orange? And like, yes, do it, or not, keep it blue. And there was about like, I think 55 people who voted for me to wrap the car orange, and then about like 30 some people saying no. And and the thing is, all my family members told me to not wrap this car. They wanted me to keep it blue. But aside from orange, honestly, if I did wrap it another blue, I think I would go for like a nice, like almost kind of like the hyper blue, like the hyper blue BRZ and the STIs came in back in like 2016. Or I would do like a nice kind of like ultra blue, or kind of like a grabber blue, like how Bad Dude in Blue has this Mustang, but like with a nice like little sparkle to it. Other than that, there's no other really colors like I'm craving, I guess. Like, I also drive my car during the winter too as well, so then I have to worry about, you know, like paint chips, because as you can see, like, I mean, I hate showing you guys this stuff, but you know, I got paint chips in my bumper there. Even on my back bumper here, like I've noticed, like, you know, there's a little chip there. And then even, I don't know if this is like from my wing, but I noticed the paint is kind of starting to fade there. I don't really know what's going on with that. I really do want to wrap this car, but it's, you know, it's like, you know, the money and if it's really worth it, or if I should have, you know, waited and stuff. But I don't know, like I'm kind of like puzzled. Like a part of me really wants to do it, and a part of me is like, no, like wait, don't do it right now, or like spend your money on a different car. Because at this point, the only other things I can do to this car is basically just bag it or put it on coils, probably coils though, wide body it, and turbo or supercharged. So yeah guys, I kind of want your opinion down below. Like, should I wrap this car? Should I just keep it blue? Should I just rock with the blue and stuff? Because the thing is, orange is my favorite color, and it always just like, I always just like love seeing orange cars and stuff. So, and I've only ever seen 2 other orange BRZs. There's one in like somewhere in Toronto. I've only seen it once, like a car meet like a couple years back. And then there's another guy who is like a sign up for us. It's like half orange and half wide body. So then I obviously don't want people to think I'm copying that guy or whatever. But I mean, I can't lie, orange is my favorite color. Like, but don't get me wrong, I do love the Subaru blue on this color. Like, the blue does really shine nice, but there's just something about orange. It's not like, you know, I'm getting like bored of this car or anything. I mean, I've owned this car for like 2.5 years now, and I love it. I absolutely love this car, but I don't know, maybe just some things you just need change. And the thing is, with a wrap, I can always take it off after if I want to. It's not like it's permanent, like I'm getting it painted or anything. But yeah, I'm really highly considering it. That's the thing is, like I said, if I do get it wrapped, then I have to worry about changing the wheels and the lug nuts and obviously the tow hook and the tow strap. I mean, I guess I could just take it off and I guess order another one, but then it's like, you know, I guess money wasted there, unless if I try to end up selling that, but I don't really know who would buy that, to be honest, anyways. G35, I think it was, or like a 60-40, like 60% I really want to do it, and 40% that's telling me to like no wait or something like that. But I don't know, that's why I'm kind of in the middle right now. Someday, or wrap it a different color someday, but I think maybe I might just wait a little bit and just kind of see and stuff. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see. That's all I'm gonna say right now. I'm not confirming anything of like a date of when I'm gonna wrap it or something, but just know that it will come eventually. That's all I'm gonna say right now. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this quick little video, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living on cloud nine, and this nine is never on vacation. Start up that Maserati and vroom, vroom, I'm racing. Popping pills in that lobby, and I pray they don't find her naked. And I pray you niggas is hating. Shooters go after Judas. Jesus Christ, if I live life on my knees, ain't no need to do this.